Hey everybody, I'm Jeff Teague. We're testing out the all-new 2023 Corolla Cross Hybrid. I'm on location in Louisville, Kentucky. What better place to check out this blue crushed metallic SE? Toyota must really believe strongly in this product to put the Corolla badge on this beautiful, versatile, spacious, great riding vehicle. Imagine having the versatility and flexibility to carry cargo, people, whatever you want to, but with the dependability, great power, and great efficiency. As we get our interior first look, let's talk about trim levels. 3 sporty trim levels, the S, the SE that you see here, and the XSE. This one has the upgraded two-tone roof. That's gonna be interesting. Adds a whole different vibe to the car. So you can get a two-tone roof on the SE or the XSE. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. First of all, pretty heavy hood here. Get my reps in. All right, so we're looking for the space. It's right over here. The prop rod's pushed well out of the way. Doesn't have a hood blanket, I noticed. This is a 2.0 liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine working with electronically controlled continuous variable transmission. This is an electronic on-demand all-wheel drive. That's really cool. So you can use the front wheels and the back wheels to give you the most torque, the most power, and the most grip or traction as possible. So yeah, 196 horsepower, 139 pound-feet of torque. That's as much power, as much horsepower as the Prius has. Boy, I'll tell you, it's got good acceleration. It really glides. It's really smooth. Not just saying that because I want you to test it out for yourself. Really, really impressive drive. This is equipped with a lithium-ion battery. And this is straight up a winner for fuel economy. It gets 45 in the city, 38 on the highway, 42 combined. That's enough to send some water. We're doing the sprinkler. What about suspension and brakes? Well, it's got 4-wheel disc brakes. In the front, it has independent McPherson struts. In the back, it's got double wishbone, multi-link rear suspension. I'm telling you, going around corners on the highway, it really does feel so smooth. It really feels like it's gliding on the road. And again, I want you to test it out. I think you're gonna be happy with it. Looking at the front end, this is a little different for me because I'm used to seeing the blue hybrid logo for Toyota. No, well, and some bugs there. Sorry guys. But this is the black one. It looks cool, it looks sinister. We've got projector LED high beam and low beam lights. The one thing I noticed does not have LEDs right there. It's got a little spot for where fog lights could be. It's got gloss black grille surround. Kind of a cool pattern here. What I really like is the addition of, my tripod just fell down. I want to show you guys that. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. So the latest evolution of safety features to keep you and your family safe. I'm so sorry, tripod. It's windy in Louisville. I'm gonna have to change up my presentation. It's really windy. I'm afraid my tripod's gonna fall over with my camera on it, but I know that I should mix up my shots. Some of the vehicle, some of me. We're gonna have to just show the vehicle. And this is a really, really nice looking side profile, right? Oh, it looks nice. This is a vehicle you'd be proud to own for the looks, as well as the efficiency and the space, the versatility. All right, so look, we've got matte black fender treatments down below too. We got a little bit thicker piece. All-wheel drive in black there. And then 17-inch alloy wheels. I love this design. It looks really cool. Two-tone, sharp. Going along with the two-tone up top, we've got two-tone side mirrors. Big cutout here for visibility. That's good. See around the A-pillar. Safety. We've got a moonroof, and then we've got optional crossbars. So let's look around here. We're gonna see Corolla Cross written out there. This one has the body side moldings on the side. AWD, easy as 1, 2, 3. Corolla Cross for you and me. All right, we've got the two-tone. Normally this is a color keyed spoiler, but this is two-tone now. We gotta match the rest of the two-tone roof. The roof is on fire because it's hot. All right, look at this. See the tail lights kind of coming around here. Got a vortex generator, which pulls in air, makes it more efficient. And oh, I do want to show you this. Corolla Cross, look at that. We've got some badging Little Easter egg going on there. That's cool stuff. Corolla Cross right there. So we've got SE Hybrid, Toyota symbol, Corolla Cross, all in gloss black. Backup camera right here. And then down here, we've got Corolla Cross written out as well, along with the gloss black. Whoop, right here. Let's open her up. Nice. This is not a power liftback, we'll call it. And then it's got a tonneau cover, so I was hiding valuables while I was on my trip, like my gear. And then look here, we can sit in, fit in. This is how I go, yoga pose. So what else do we have in here? Well, we've got the cargo net that can go between there and there, all the way out here to hide valuables. That's a good accessory to add, I think. We've got tie downs, latches, as you can see right there. JBL, 9 JBL speakers to upgrade your premium sound. Got LED light going on there. Look at the little pattern on the seat. It's the little things, right? The little things. You could put a little something right there if you want to. Joe Rady would say Twinkies. Love Joe. All right, so we've got this right here, Corolla Cross. We got a mat. We got 2 mats. They think I'm gonna get it dirty, I think. So underneath here, well, it's the tire inflation kit. I like the soundproofing though, that's pretty good. And then if you want to see underneath, we're gonna see a little bit of orange cable going on here. Can I do this with one hand? I'm gonna try, let's keep going. Here we go. So if it's orange cable, don't touch it. That could be high voltage type stuff. All right, boom, get it on, bang a gong, get it on. This is set for a 5'8" person, so I have plenty of leg room. I've moved this one back so we can see. Look at this, the roof line slopes up so that I have more headroom. I like that a lot. Seats, I'm telling you, this fabric got lots of stuffing in it. Very comfortable. That seat was a little bit firmer, but it's not hard. And see here, I still have room. I've got a pocket for putting my hand in. Just like that, you know, you could just leave your hand in there for 5 seconds or so. But yeah, this is a nice ride in the back seat. And then what else do we see? Well, I would put my cup right there because it's a cup holder. One of the 9 JBL speakers going right there. We have rear air vents like that as well. Rear USBs, that's 2 of the USB-Cs. We do not have, see that? We do not have the fold down armrest with cup holders there, but they make up for it by putting it right there. So you do have something on either side. Child safety latches, very, very clearly marked. Do I want to put the seats down just to show you? Well, I don't know if I can. There we go, yeah, I can. We punch it down, punch it down. All right, so that's 100% flat. That's very nice. What about the view from the back seat? Well, we've got that Toyota audio multimedia. I'll tell you more about that. We've got the 4.2-inch multi-information display. Got some different drive modes. Yes, this is black seating, but look at the blue accents. We've got so many different styles to the seats. I want to show you how Toyota did a good job, a really good job actually, of breaking up an all black interior, which I'm a big fan of. Before we get to the seats, I'm going to show off the bottle holder. Dasani water in the house. Nice. Look at the blue stitching and the blue pattern. Look at the bolstering. Oh, it's so soft. This is a really nice, comfortable ride. Applause to the engineers who created this one. The seating is fantastic. It really is. Does not have a power driver seat. We'll look inside the glove box. Oh, look at that. We've got good room in there. Good glove box. Holla, nice job. Also, just so you know, this is a pre-production prototype model. Ooh. So the fit and finish might be just a little bit different from retail. There could be 1 or 2 items. I haven't seen anything yet. I do want to point out that the moonroof and the tonneau cover, those are optional items that were added at the factory or regional assembly port. The moonroof for sure at the factory. So look here, we've got our window adjustments, mirror adjustments, nice little bit of storage room over here, so that's kind of good. Got the Corolla Cross plate as we go in, and we do not have a power driver's seat, no, but we do have the next best thing because we've got a pump that can pump up that jam. Oh, yeah, cut that clip into 2 different sections. I guess I pumped it up a little more. I got my body going on the dance floor. Look at that. Corolla Cross mats. Got the hood the traction control, auto high beams, the brightness, the fuel tank, manually operated tilt and telescope, leather wrapped steering wheel, folks. Here, I can put belongings from a road trip in there. I can also put change. I won on one bet at Keeneland Racecourse. I won $253.70 for the win play show. I bet 20 to 1 odds. Very impressive. Like Han Solo says, never tell me the odds. Well, I went with the long shot, big time, and then in the next race we won $72, $73. Electronic parking brake hold. So I think my net for the horse racing was like $275 positive. That's pretty strong. So we got different drive modes here. We also have wireless charging pad. That's nice. And for our drive modes, we've got eco, better gas mileage, normal driving, and sport, more responsive acceleration. Let's show a couple things that we could get here. I'm getting 37.8 on my trip that I've gone between Lexington and Louisville and then driven around Louisville. So that's pretty strong. I drive it a little bit, I don't want to say faster speed, but more heavy accelerator pedal. So I don't usually expect to get the best gas mileage. It's just me. So I bet my wife would get into the probably middle 40s. I bet you anything. Adaptive cruise mode. Got this right here. The energy monitor, I like that. All-wheel drive, I like that too. All right. Lane departure alert. Blind spot monitor. See, we can turn that off. And then we can also turn it back on. Holla. All right, so let's go to lane departure alert. We can hold that down. You can turn it on, off. You can change your alert options. And also the alert timing. That's good. Pre-collision system, rear cross traffic alert. I always like to have that on because that tells me when I'm backing up if somebody's behind me, a car. Safe exit tells you if it's safe to get out of your car from the side. Oh, I gotta turn that on. Road sign assist. It's off, it's on. I like having the road sign. So we hold down vehicle settings. Driver brake suggestion, I like that having on. Dynamic radar cruise control settings. Tire pressure warning. All that jazz. Let's see if we can go back here and change settings. Language and units. So EV on. You can do what you want. Do you want the average, the trip average, the tank average? What do you want? What else do I see here? Well, I see USB. It's got 4 total USBs, which is great. I like having 2 in the back. I like that a lot. Digital temperature controls, and this adjusts the fan speed. It blows out pretty fast, actually. Can cool you down. It's a smaller cabin in comparison to other, say, mid-size vehicles. So it'll just cool it down quickly. Good job on the ventilation here. I got my Waze set up, my wireless Apple CarPlay. I could have wireless Android Auto if I had a Droid. Domino's, we delivered. Hey, Toyota.
What do you want to do?
What's my driving range?
Your trip range is 193 miles.
Give it voice commands. Just say, hey, hi, hello, okay, and then the word Toyota, and it'll say, what would you like to do? So that's kind of cool. We can also go back to this one, Toyota. This will set up what features we want specifically on the car. If I want radio to show, look at this. Williams iPhone, what? I don't know that person. Do you want Amazon Music, Apple Music? And then you can customize different things about your vehicle, just like that. I was getting 49.6 at one point, so that's pretty strong. Just kind of went down for me personally. Can change profiles. Can set up your profile to do different functions. Bluetooth, you can program 2 different smartphones at the same time. Display, sound. So if I want the system voice to be a little bit louder, I can do it all that way, and she will be super loud. Way too loud for me, so I'm going to turn it down a little bit. And then levels, vehicle customize, set up your lights, your door controls, climate, utility. Up top here we got LED lighting, boom, boom, it's off. Safety Connect, great safety feature here to have with your subscription. Then we've got venting, opening and closing. I see there's a slider over here. What? Just like that. And then we've got lighted mirror on the visor. So what about pricing? What does this bad boy run? Well, whoosh, $29,290 is the factory MSRP. We add in delivery. This one has $2,200 in options like the JBL, the moonroof package, the two-tone, all that jazz. Puts it about retail $32,800 as equipped heavily like this one here. If you get the S model, that'll be somewhere in the 27, a little bit higher than 27 range. And then if you get the XSE, that'll be $31,065 for starting price. Well, we did it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. And please hit subscribe to Toyota Jeff and then subscribe to my second channel. Check that out. We review the whole automotive industry, Auto Jeff Reviews. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at Toyota Jeff Reviews and Auto Jeff Reviews. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of Corolla Cross Hybrid. See you next time. Woo!